Hello everybody, welcome to the Articulate Studio. Today we are going to do English speaking practice with the new short story. First you are going to listen to the story, then you will hear a lot of easy questions about the story. Try to answer these questions out loud. You will improve your speaking skills quickly. In the first part, you will listen to the story. In the second part, you will answer the questions. Repeat this lesson a week. Then you will be able to speak English fluently. Now you will listen to the story, and we shall do English speaking practice with the question and answer method. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. Once upon a time, there was a man. His name was Henry. He was traveling by train. He got off the train at the West Town station. Then he went to the Wild West Town. Everybody seemed happy. So he went to the saloon to celebrate it. But he saw that a nervous man was running toward him. He told Henry that there was a bank robbery. Henry was very sad and angry. He wanted to find the robbers. He told the man, I want to find the robbers, but I can't do it alone. I need a strong and wise partner. The man told Henry, I know someone. Come with me. They went to a shooting range. The man showed a blonde woman. He said, This is Bonnie. She never misses a shot. You can trust her. Henry was impressed. So he explained everything to her. Please subscribe the Articulate Studio for more useful content. Please give us a like. Thank you. She agreed to help Henry. They prepared their horses and set off. They saw the robbers. The robbers were crossing a rope bridge. Then the robbers saw Henry and Bonnie. So they cut the rope bridge. Henry and Bonnie had to take another road. The new road was longer. They spent the night by playing instruments by the campfire. The next day, they climbed the cliffs. Finally, the robbers were in the mine. The partners found the robbers and their mine. They went inside the mine. Henry followed the noise. Henry and Bonnie found the robbers. While they were preparing explosives, they caught the robbers and handed them over to the police. Everyone in the town was so happy. If you like this video and want to see more useful videos, then like and subscribe this channel. Okay, that is the last or end of our short story. Now I shall ask many questions about the story. If you need extra time, pause the lesson and say the answers. Then play it again. If it is too difficult to answer, just listen to the lesson a few times. When you feel ready, you can say the answers next time. Let's get started. What was there? What was there? You can pause the video. You will answer the question. You should try your best to answer the questions. A man. There was a man. What was his name? His name was Henry. What was he traveling by? What was he traveling by? He was traveling by train. Where did he get off the train? He got off the train at the West Town station. Did he go to the West Town? No, he didn't. He did not go to the West Town. He went to the Wild West town. Did everyone seem sad? No, no one seemed sad. Everyone seemed happy. Did everyone seem happy? Yes, everyone seemed happy. Where did the man go to celebrate everyone's happiness? He went to the saloon. Why did the man go to the saloon? To celebrate everyone's happiness. Was a nervous man walking toward him? No, he was not walking. The nervous man was running toward him. The nervous man was running toward him. What did he tell Henry? He told Henry that there was a bank robbery. Was Henry happy after hearing the news of robbery? No, he wasn't. He wasn't happy. He was very sad and angry. What did Henry do after he learned? What did Henry want to do after he learned what happened? You can pause the video and think about the answer. He wanted to find the robbers. According to the Henry, can he find the robbers alone? No, he can't. According to the Henry, he can't find the robbers alone. He said, I can't find the robbers alone. What did Henry need? A strong and wise partner. He needed a strong and wise partner. He said, I need a strong and wise partner. Did the man know a strong and wise partner? Yes, he did. He knew a strong and a wise partner. He said, I know someone. Where did the Henry and the man go to? A shooting range. They went to a shooting range. What did the man show? A blonde woman. He showed a blonde woman. What was the blonde woman's name? Bonnie. Her name was Bonnie. According to the man, does Bonnie miss a shot? No, he doesn't. According to the man, he does not miss a shot. He said she never misses a shot. Was Henry impressed? Yes, he was. He was impressed. Did Henry hide anything from Bonnie? Did Henry hide anything from Bonnie? He explained everything to her. Did Bonnie agree to help Henry? Yes, he did. Bonnie agreed to help Henry. After Bonnie agreed to help, what did they do? They prepared their horses and set off. Where did they find the robbers? They saw the robbers passing by the drawbridge. How did they catch the robbers? They followed their way and saw the robbers in the mine. They were preparing explosives. Where they caught the robbers? Did the robbers succeed to run? No, they caught the robbers incidentally. Did they handed the robbers to the police? Yes, they handed them to the police. Was everyone happy in the village? In the town? After that, everyone was happy in the town. In the end of my video, I want to say something, guys. I had already uploaded many videos on my channel, but I am not gaining more subscribers and likes It takes me a lot of time to make a video. Please make sure to subscribe and like my video for useful content. I want to provide you a high quality content. You should try to practice it again and again so that you may master it. I am sure that you have gained something from my video. In the next video, I will give you something new. Please subscribe my channel if you want more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.